A lot of students are worried on how they can know where they will write their upcoming JAMB 2026 exam. So in this video, I'll be explaining to you how you can know your JAMB examination center, your JAMB location, like where you're going to write your JAMB, with the date and also the time, the venue. Though we all know that it's going to start, JAMB exam is going to start April 16 and it's going to end April 25. But students are confused on when exactly we didn't know where they will be posted to write their JAMB and which date is they are going to fall at. So this video is going to explain that for you. Even some students thought that their JAMB exam center location, like they can only do it at the CBT Centre, which is where they register JAMB, or maybe a cyber cafe. No, it is what you can do yourself. So ensure you watch this video to the end and try whatever I say on this video for you to know your JAMB location. Now, if you are using iPhone, Android, or your system, so go to any browser you have on that phone. This is an Android phone, as you can see it here. So let me go to my browser. Now let me go to this Chrome. Now this is my Chrome. Okay, let me press back. Now look at this. This is my Chrome. Can you see it now? This is my Chrome. So which address are you going to search? What link are you going to search? Go to this your search engine here, as you can see. Then search sleep. Sorry, then you're going to search sleep. That's SLIP. So sleep is going to be sleeps printing. Can you see that? Sleeps printing .jamb.gov.ng. Can you see that? sleepsprinting.jamb.gov.ng, then slash print examination slip. So sleepsprinting.jamb.gov.ng slash print examination. Yeah, this examination. Now you can put sleep in front, or you might leave it like this. So after this, then click on this address, click on it. What you're going to see is this. Can you see this? Let me zoom it to you. Now this was going to play. So here, let me zoom it. Here says that you should enter either your registration number, which is on your printout, the one given to you after JAMB registration. So you enter it. You enter either your email address. Can you see it here? Or probably you enter your GSM number. So once you enter it, then you click on print examination slip. So after that, then your exam date, time, and venue is going to be displayed on your screen. Then you can now print it out as PDF. So after having it as PDF on your phone or your system or anything you are using, so you can now go and print it out using printer as hard copy. You can go and have it as hard copy, isn't it? So if you are getting it as hard copy, it's advisable for you to have it as colored instead of black and white. Though you can use black and white too, or colored, but it's advisable for you to go with colored printing. So that's it. But if you are finding it difficult to print your own, let's assume when you entered your examination number, time, and when you entered your registration number or your email address or your phone number, so it's not bringing out your exam location for you. So if you are finding it difficult to do yours, you can just message me on WhatsApp. So if you message me on WhatsApp, I will assist you. I will help you on how we are going to do it. I will help you to do it, then print it as PDF for you, then send it to you through WhatsApp. Though you are going to pay me a token for that. For science students, I have something special for you. Now the thing what I have for you is that on April 15, by April 15, that will be on Wednesday, April 15, and that's going to be a day to exam. So we are going to be solving 40 powerful chemistry questions. When I say powerful, you should know what I'm referring to. I don't want to use my mouth to talk. You'll be solving 40 powerful chemistry questions. So this question, you should know what I'm trying to say. We are using Zoom app. We are using Zoom. So the classroom is going to be Zoom. The time is going to be from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. So it is an 3 hours class. We are using Zoom. You are solving 40 chemistry powerful questions. So what are you going to benefit from this is that you have access to the 40 questions. You will have access to the to the solution, and also you will learn the step-by-steps of how to solve those questions. It's going to be a live class, a live questions and live class. All right, so the price to join this class is just 1,000 naira. Chemistry student. So the price is 1,000 naira. Now mind you, on Zoom app, Zoom can only accommodate 100 participants, so which means that we need just 100 students. So once we reach 100, they will no longer accept payment again. All right, now to make payment for this, you will send your payment to this account number 8068435809, and the bank is OP, as you can see. So the bank is OP. You are going to send your payments to this account number here, whereby the bank is OP. So after you have made your payment to this account number, then send your receipt to this WhatsApp number here displaying, which I'm touching here. So once you send your receipt there, write it under the caption that for the 40 powerful chemistry question. Once you do that, then I will add you to the WhatsApp group. So once we reach 100 in the WhatsApp group, we will no longer accept payment again. And in the morning of that April 15, I will send the class link, the Zoom link to the group, so that everybody can join when it is 5 p.m. So immediately you make your payment to this account number, you send your receipt to this WhatsApp number here. The next thing for you to do is that you should download Zoom Workplace. If you go to your Apple Store, your Apple Store, your iOS, or probably any browser you are using, any app, any phone you are using, maybe your Play Store, Apple Store, or iOS, any one of the things you are using. So you are going to see two different Zoom there. The one you should download is Zoom Workplace. So once you download it, then you sign up. Once you sign up, then wait till April 15 by 5 p.m. before we start the class. Just 1,000 naira for the live, powerful 40 chemistry questions. Good. And also there is something we used to do every Sunday and Thursday. We usually treat a single topic per day for 3 hours as well. Now for the last one we did was on Sunday. We treated acids, base, and salt. The one we did on Thursday, the previous Thursday, was thermochemistry. Yeah, the class was very powerful. Meaning you can see that particular topic is what your teacher will teach you in school for 3 weeks, even if not 4 weeks. But we only teach it, we only explain it, we give the summary of everything within just 3 hours. You can check this page, like check my page. If you're on YouTube, check where we used to post pictures to see some reviews of what students have said about the class. Very effective. After we are done with the class, you can be able to attempt any questions related to that topic. It is always every Sunday and Thursday. For that one is 800 naira. If you want to join, 800 naira for that one. We used to start 5 p.m. and also finish 8 p.m. every Sunday and Thursday. So this coming Thursday now, we'll be tracing another topic, a single topic per day, and you will ensure that you will learn, because it's some points. We don't just giving you points, what you will need for you to pass your exam related to that topic. That's what we have been doing every Thursday and Sunday. And for mathematics students as well too, there will also be a 40 powerful mathematics questions for you as well on this same April 15. So the account payment is still this as well. The classroom is Zoom. The price is also 1,000 naira, but your own time is going to be from 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. That means immediately after we are done with the powerful chemistry question, we'll now move to mathematics on to 40 questions live. So mathematics students, if you're interested, do the same thing as well. Send your payment and download Zoom Workplace. But while sending your receipt to this WhatsApp number, write it in the caption that for mathematics, for 40 powerful mathematics questions, so that we're going to add you to the mathematics group too. Once it reach 100, we can no longer accept payment again, because Zoom only allow 100 participants. Share this video to your class group. Share it to all SS3 students preparing to write JAMB, so that all of them can have access to this 40 powerful question. Thank you so much. Bye.